ready to unlock incredible savings on your Amazon shopping spree. First things first, head over to Amazon's website and in the search bar, type in the product you're looking for. For example, let's search for Bluetooth headphones. Now, on the search results page, keep an eye out for products with a little coupon icon or a percentage off badge right next to the price. Amazon often displays available coupons directly on the product listing. Click on the product that interests you on the product page. You may see a coupon box, sometimes labeled as clip coupon or showing a percentage off. Make sure to check that box to activate the coupon. The discount will be applied at checkout. Another great way to find coupons is by using browser extensions. There are many extensions available that automatically search for and apply coupon codes. While you browse Amazon, popular options include Honey and Rakuten. Explore coupon websites. Websites like RetailMenot, CouponScum, and AfterScum often have dedicated pages for Amazon deals. Browse these sites to see if you can find any valid coupon codes for your desired products. Once you've found a coupon and added your item to your cart, proceed to checkout. The coupon discount should be automatically applied, reducing the total price. Always double-check before finalizing your purchase to ensure the discount is reflected. And that's it. With these simple tips, you'll be a coupon hunting pro in no time, saving money and making the most of your Amazon shopping experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.